going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Brazilian wedding cookies, also known as Bem Casado. So let's go and I'll show you how.
Right, say it again.
Bem Casado.
Okay, for the ingredients, I need 5 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I need 5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of potato starch, 3 tablespoons of flour, 50 ml of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, that's for the sponge. And for the filling, I'm going to use dulce de leche, which is like the condensed milk caramel. So let's go and I'll show you how to make it. I have the egg yolks separated. I have the flour and the baking powders in this bowl. I have my piping bag ready to pipe the sponge out, and I have the egg whites in here ready to whisk. So then I just have to put the sugar in the egg whites. Okay, I'm just whisking my egg whites. And I'm going to put the sugar in, and then I'm going to put the egg yolks in, and then I'm going to fold in the flour, adding the sugar. Now I'm adding my egg yolks and my oil together, along with some vanilla beans in there. There you go, all whipped up. So now I'm going to sift in the flours, and then I'm going to fold it all together. Now it's all folded, I'm going to put it in the piping bag, and then we're going to pipe them onto mats in round circles, and I'm going to bake them on 170 degrees for 10 minutes. 2 seconds. Okay, so they're all piped out and ready to go in the oven. These are freshly out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool. These were on the bottom shelf. They're a little bit brown. I don't know why. I'm going to let them cool, and then I'm going to fill them with condensed milk caramel. Okay, now the Brazilian cookies are out of the oven and they've cooled. I'm going to pipe them with some condensed milk caramel that I have in my piping bag here. Okay, here they are all piped. I'm going to put the lids on them. I have some icing sugar and some sugar syrup in this bowl. So I'm just going to dip them in like so. And then put them over here. Here they are. Now it's time to taste. Okay, now it's time to taste. Delicious. So if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers.